For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Prajwal Prasad, and now majority of the sectors has been hit due to the deadly pandemic and economically it has been affected. Films and the world of entertainment is no different over here too because they too have been facing a lot of loss. Now, government guidelines have recommended the presence of 33% crew on the set and none above the age of 65 years. They have also made it quite clear that there will be no intimate and marriage scenes that will be shot as well. So, going on and looking at it, what will they be doing? The government has allowed shooting of films, serials and web series as well. The guidelines details that the measures will have to be taken by all the departments on the sets, which also includes post-production too, which has been included. So now what will be the guidelines for the shoots of soap operas, films as well as web series? 33% crew strength excluding the actors and their support staff will be present only. The cast and crew above the age of 65 will not be allowed, and there has been a lot of criticism in this particular regard because many of them are also questioning what about senior actors like Anil Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan. But as of now, the Ministry of Home Affairs has made it quite clear that none above the age of 65 will be allowed. The staff will also have to carry an identity card at all times, and the Arogya Setu app should be installed in the phones of crew members. And on arrival on the sets, the crew members will have to get their temperatures checked, and it is mandatory for studios to have an ambulance, a doctor and a nurse at all points of time. The sets will have to be fumigated daily with disinfectants, and post-production areas like the edit rooms will have to be sanitized too. All the members who will be present on the sets will have to wear masks and gloves, and this has been mandatory, without which they will not be allowed on the sets. The actors need to wear masks and gloves during the shoots, but when they are in front of the camera, they need not wear any sort of masks or gloves. The actors should also make sure that they maintain their personal hygiene at all times. Makeup artists should wear face shield as they will be coming in close contact with artists. The mics will have to be labeled according to artists who are using them, and that mic will have to be used for the entire schedule of the shoot, and there should also be a supervisor who will make sure that these mics will not be exchanged. In reality shows, seating arrangements will be made keeping social distancing in mind, and there should be a separate table for judges instead of one long table. Every worker will be given 4 masks per shift, and each shift is for a span of 12 hours. A supervisor will also be appointed to monitor whether guidelines are being followed or not, and if they are not being followed, stringent action will be taken against the production company. Separate washrooms for men and women is also mandatory because in film cities like Mumbai, there is no separate washrooms for men and women, so this will turn out to be a huge problem. So this has been put forth by the Producers Guild itself. The producers will also divide the units into 2 halves and will shoot simultaneously as well, so that they will not take time all at once, and they can also save up on the production cost too. No wedding scenes will be shot and no intimate scenes will be shot as well. There is a prohibition of liquor and tobacco on the sets completely. Now, going ahead and looking at the Indian film industry, the silver screen for India brings in a revenue of anywhere between 5,000 crore rupees to 7,000 crore rupees every year. And for each quarter, they would be earning anywhere between 800 crore rupees to 900 crore rupees, taking the total tally to 3,600 crore rupees only for Bollywood. So also now going on, let's take a look at the losses which has been suffered by the entertainment industry. Relief package has been overlooked for the entertainment industry, and the cabinet or the government did not announce any sort of SOPs for them. The losses for Bollywood industry has been pegged at 2,500 crore rupees for the year 2020. The Indian film industry suffered a loss of 400 crore rupees every week, and the losses for Indian film industry has been pegged at 5,000 crore rupees for 2020. Sandalwood, Tollywood, Collywood and Mollywood are the other major contributors from South India who have already reported a loss of 2,000 crore rupees, with around 15 to 20 big releases which has been stalled, which was expected to make a moolah of over 1,000 to 1,500 crore rupees. Each quarter of the year, Bollywood makes 800 crores to 900 crore rupees, and theaters and multiplexes will also see a dip in the collection as they have to maintain social distancing at all points of times. So clearly going ahead and looking at the way forward, it definitely is not a very easy task for the entertainment industry to resume shooting, but all said and done now, they will have to make sure and think about the future, because entertainment industry is also one of those industries which provide livelihood for many of the people in India. If you have liked this video, you can drop in your comments in the comment section as well, and you can like, share and subscribe too. Thank you for watching.